Are you looking for action cameras? In this video, I will show you the 5 best action cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is Hero 8 Black, the most versatile, unshakable Hero camera ever. A streamlined design makes it more pocketable than ever, and swapping mounts takes just seconds, thanks to built-in folding fingers. And with the optional media mod, you get ultimate expandability to add more lighting, pro audio, and even another screen. There's also game-changing Hyper Smooth 2.0 stabilization with jaw-dropping slow mo. Smooth just got smoother. Now Hero 8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization: on, high and boost, so you can pick the best option for whatever you do. Get the widest views possible or boost it up to the smoothest video ever offered in a Hero camera. The 4th product on the list is the DJI Osmo Action. The quick switch button ensures modes and settings are easily and quickly accessible. For simplified use and upgraded efficiency, custom mode lets you store, list, and select frequently used shooting modes and exposure settings. 5 voice commands make essential functions like filming, capturing photos, and powering down the device effortlessly. The 3rd product on the list is the Acaso Brave 4. Acaso Brave 4 action camera features Ultra HD 4K 24 frames per second and 2K 30 frames per second video recording, 20MP. It's an amazing gift for your friends and family, even yourself. Perfect for outdoor sports and underwater sports like cycling, motorcycling, skiing, diving, surfing, snorkeling, and so on. The 2nd product on the list is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Shoot stunning 5K video and capture 14.7MP frame grabs. Capture crisp, pro-quality 20MP photos and use Super Photo to make sure you get the shot. Hero 9 Black is tough as nails and waterproof down to 33 foot right out of the box. Record 1.5 seconds before and after your shot. Find the best pic or share it as a short video. Schedule the time you want to begin your recording. The groundbreaking Hero 9 Black sports a beastly 23.6MP sensor for more resolution, more pixels, more everything. The 1st product on the list is the Insta360 or Twin Edition. All pixels are not created equal. The Dual Lens 360 mod raises the bar with super 5.7K resolution, leveraging H.265 encoding, advanced image processing, and an AI-powered finishing algorithm to preserve detail and make your footage pop. Flow State achieves gimbal-like stabilization without the gimbal. Thanks to a new scene detection algorithm, your footage stays clear and steady even in low light. Bullet time shots put you at the heart of the action. Automatic horizon leveling and smart speed ramping make them easier than ever. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.